Clean lines, polished shine. This is gold-plated jewelry made for the modern minimalist. Effortlessly sleek and endlessly versatile. Each piece is designed to elevate, not overpower. Style it your way, for any day. Start your journey into shine. Browse our gold-plated jewelry collection, your new go-to for timeless glam. Designed to complement every style, every day. Necklaces that layer like a dream. Rings that stack with style. Earrings and bracelets that sparkle in every moment. Every detail counts. Smooth finishes, secure clasps, and long-lasting shine. Made to look great and stay that way. These favorites speak for themselves. Loved by customers for their style, shine, and versatility. It's easy to see why they're best sellers. Ready to glow? Find your perfect gold-plated piece today. From subtle elegance to bold glam, it's all here. Thanks for watching. Discover more dazzling jewelry styles at PandaHall. Your next favorite accessory is just a click away.